Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Epic Games not launching. So let's get straight into the video. What happens is you want to simply go to the library tab, and for the game that is not launching, you want to simply click on the triple dot icon. When you have already installed the game, what happens is it will give you a verify game file section. Simply go ahead and click on that, which should go ahead and solve 90% of your problem. The other thing you want to do is press Windows R on keyboard and then simply write %localappdata% and click on OK. Once you've done that, you want to simply look for Epic Games Launcher and then simply delete all the files and folders that are inside of this. This is the cache folder, which means these are temporary files that are not necessary, which will go ahead and speed up your launch. Now, if that doesn't work, then you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the game. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.